Hello everyone, this is AI Unlocked, also known as Extend Junior. Today, we are going to know how to create sound using AI. Yeah, in 2026, AI is so good at that it can create sounds like legit genuine sounds with no copyright issues. Let me show you an example.
Cruising down the boulevard, stars in my view. City lights are calling, but I'm lost in the blue. Radio hums soft, it's setting the mood. Chasing fleeting moments like we're breaking the rules. Headlights paint the pavement glowing soft and slow. Heart's a little heavy, but I'm letting it go. Windows down, the breezes like a whisper of truth. Every mile's a memory, every turn something new. We're floating through the night, no destination. Feeling like the world's a gentle vibration. Moonlit drive, yeah, we're riding so free. Dancing with the shadows, just you and me. No rush, no time, let the skyline fade. Favorite playlist, vibing low and sweet. Every note's a story where our souls can meet.
So, to create a sound like this, all you need is just a phone. Now, open your browser and search for SUNO AI. If you got SUNO AI, then your next task is to get the lyrics for the song. Now please don't ask me where to get the lyrics. Just simply use any of the AI chatbot like ChatGPT, Gemini or Grok to get lyrics. Here you can see I'm using ChatGPT to generate my lyrics. And I am creating a lo-fi type song. You can see my prompt. I have said to ChatGPT, you're the best lyrics writer in the world. I want to create a chill lo-fi song. Write me a sweet lyrics for that. After that, AI will generate the lyrics, then just simply copy and paste the lyrics into SUNO AI and boom, your song is ready. If you're still watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now enjoy the song. Bye bye.
City lights flicker through my window. Rain taps slow on the glass. Midnight coffee getting colder while old memories pass. Your hoodie hanging by my bedside still smells like your cologne. Every little thing reminds me I'm not as strong alone. And the clock keeps ticking softly, but I don't mind the time if you're here inside my mind. Stay a little longer in the silence of my room, where the world feels slower under silver moon. We don't need forever, we don't need to know. Just stay a little longer in this lo-fi glow. Vinyl spinning low and gentle, static in the air. Your laughter like a melody floating everywhere. Street lights paint your shadow dancing on the wall. If this is just a dream, I don't wanna wake it all. Let the night wrap around us like a soft refrain, playing on repeat again. Stay a little longer in the quiet of my heart, where the noise sunrise shows, and the world